So Paolo, you're heading up the CSRIO's Global Initiative for Honeybee Health. Can you tell us a bit about the program?
The Global Initiative for Honeybee Health is a response to one of the biggest challenges we have. That includes pesticides, extreme weather events, air pollution, water contamination, pests, pathogens, parasites, a number of factors affecting bee health. And it's impossible for a single research group to solve it. The Global Initiative is about having all scientists using the technology that we developed at CSRIO and then hopefully evolving the knowledge about what's going on with the bees.
And what does that technology look like? So I've seen some remarkable shots of tiny little chips on the back of bees, like backpacks if you like.
So the technology is quite complex in a way. We have a number of small microchips that we put on the back of the bees. Each one of those microchips has a unique number. So we identify those bees by a unique name, if you prefer. As the bee leaves and comes back in the hive, there is an antenna that detects the presence of the bee. And all information is then stored in a small computer that has been developed by Intel. It's about the size of a stamp. There is a huge impact in what we are trying to achieve, and that is the most important thing for us, for scientists. We use technology to make a difference. We are not building sensors, we're building the future of Australia and the future of the world.
And so what sort of data are you gathering from tracking these bees?
Tracking life, it's essential for everything we do. We know when the bees leave in the building, working for an hour outside, coming back, staying for 2 hours inside watching TV, and then going out again and in again and out again and in again, and all this information we relate to environmental stressors. It's inspiring us, this new generation of scientists, to look at how we can continue this endeavor of learning more about nature and using technology to make a difference.
And what are the ramifications for neglecting declining bee populations?
It's very simple. Without bees, we don't have most of the food that you would need. So you won't have most of the fruits, most of the vegetables. For you to have a healthy diet, you will need bees. A world without bees is a poor world.
And outside of this research project, where else can your new technology be applied?
It's limited to your imagination. You can track insects, as I said, you can track packages. You would like to know if a bottle of wine is from Tasmania, you might be able to have a little sensor attached to that. And CSRIO is the right place to have that kind of research because we have such a wide capability that we can tag on and bring experts from different fields to work with us and explore that.
What makes you so excited about this specific body of research?
Putting this project together is something really fantastic. Being able to work across boundaries in science, it's something that makes me proud of. What is exciting about this is that we can make a difference in an international level, in a global level. Whatever we do here in Tasmania, it's going to impact the whole world. And with that possibility, it's unbelievable feeling that you can come here and really make a difference on a global scale.
It's an incredible project. Heading it up, how do you go about making sure that the teams around the world are working effectively and collaborating efficiently?
You have to share the same goals. I think sharing the same aspirational goal is what put this team together, working and contributing with what they can, and having a very inclusive environment.
And how about motivation? How do you keep everyone going?
Small successes are to be celebrated. It is a very important aspect of the work. But keeping the eyes on the goal, I think that is what makes us really proud of what we do and give us this stamina for us to come and work. We know what we're trying to achieve.
It's a tremendous body of work you're embarking upon here. Thanks a lot for sharing it with us.
Thank you.